Hey guys, it's Yanni here.
And Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we are gonna be reacting or watching and reviewing Juan Carlos' song, Buwan.
Wow, buwan.
Buwan means, the moon.
Oh,
Moon.
beautiful.
So.
Well, I have to say, guys, I try to convince Yanni so much for reacting to a music video or a song or whatever.
Well, now
else.
finally here. It's happening.
Thank God. Thank
I don't know
you.
if this has a English subtitle because I think the song is gonna be in Filipino. Also, we don't know who Juan Carlos is. Is he Filipino? Is he
Oh, I
white?
thought you knew.
I don't know him.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's a lot of white people singing in my language now, and they are singing
Well,
in my language.
Juan, I don't think he's like.
Well, we'll
Italian,
see.
let's
Well,
say.
Juan is Spanish too.
All right, I'm very curious to see. It has 58.6 million views. This video, so it must be good.
He's such an Italian.
Or it's so disgusting that people kept watching it because it was disgusting.
He's so Italian. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's see this. What's the big deal about this? Let's see.
And please share with us other videos so we can react to those.
Yes. I'm curious because I feel like this has a meaning to it because people are like, I'm curious what you guys think. I'm curious what you guys think the meaning behind it. How you interpret
Well,
it.
better be English then.
Well, I don't know if there's subtitle. Let's see if there's subtitle. There isn't any subtitles.
It's a city in the night.
Probably Manila.
They're driving in a small alley. He's gonna kill her. Buwan.
This is not a horror movie. Stop.
Shh. It's a very chill song.
This is my song. Oh, I love it. I
Right.
love it already.
Okay.
It's like a typical Filipino OPM song. I love the scene. It's just in the neighborhood.
So far, it has only 2 chords, so it's easy to play.
It's easy to play. It's just, yeah.
Oh, here we go. They changed.
So
that.
he's dropping off the girlfriend. Hey!
I like this girl.
I love the videography too.
Cute dress she has.
So she's just pretty much talking about how he loves her underneath the moon. And like, come listen to my
Because
song.
in the sunshine, she's too ugly. The
She's too
light
ugly, yeah.
brings up
So
all the
she's
depth.
beautiful in the darkness.
Yes.
Yes. That's how we interpret the song, you guys. See, it's like underneath the moonlight.
Oh,
Like, how dumb
Almost
can she
got
be? She's
hit.
probably drunk.
no, it's because she couldn't
Oh
walk
my
with these damn
God.
shoes.
So immature. They're fighting over that? Well, I guess he's concerned that he doesn't want her to be.
It's like, get in the car.
I love the song. Hey.
The video doesn't match because he was like very fighting, but the song
Yeah,
is super chill.
For real. Underneath the white light. Wait, so now he's kidnapping her?
Is he?
I think so, because the girl's like, please pull over. Swag GPS.
She is the one that wants to.
Girl, be a
Oh.
Filipina girl.
Yeah, but these shoes that she's wearing.
But I love how they're not.
Oh, she's. Oh, wait, what? Oh my goodness!
50 Shades of Grey. Which I want to see. I've been planning to watch 50 Shades of Grey from start to end. Anyway. Oh my, what are we watching?
I don't know.
I thought this was like a.
But she's the one that pulled them.
But I was right. He was kidnapping her.
Okay. But was she happy? Is she cray?
She likes it rough.
Okay. Well, good for you, girl.
Oh, I thought
She's screaming.
I thought she
She's bouncing.
I know, I thought she was.
Oh! He's gonna leave her there, eaten by the rats.
What's going on? And now they're happy again. Or was that a memory?
No, maybe they're pretending that he has to save her.
Wait, what? So yeah, that this is a memory or like an imagination. Wait, what's the message behind this? He's a psychopath. He's crazy. I think. That.
Oh!
This scene is showing how crazy he is. He's a crazy guy.
Oh wow.
He's overprotective, crazy. No?
I just wish I understood the lyrics.
It's just saying underneath the moonlight. Oh, it's going back, so let's see what's happening
Oh my goodness.
before this.
Oh, because maybe she gets hit. Oh no.
He's just really singing underneath the... Oh, she died.
She got hit.
I knew it. She's crazy. I mean, he's crazy.
She's not even there.
I told you.
Oh, so he's crazy. He imagined everything.
He imagined everything.
Is he gonna find her there?
Everything was imagination. Wait, did he kill her?
Oh, he's the one that was in the chair. Oh my
God, so the girl trapped
Oh,
him.
the girl. So the
That
girl is
twist.
crazy. Oh my god, that twist that only Filipinos can do.
Shit.
Oh my goodness, she's the one. Huh? Interesting. Very interesting, because the video was...
Wait, let's analyze this. What?
The video was only like 3 locations. First street, alley, and then the room.
And
that's it.
And they're not even that expensive location. They're just locations that you can find in the alley in the Philippines. All the streets in the Philippines
Yeah.
look like that.
Wow, so they made her look like he was madly in love with her, overprotective. And then there was that scene that I couldn't understand why she wanted to be like tied up. But then there's the twist. So he's the one.
So all that was his imagination.
Yeah.
Why was he imagining him tying her up? What was the
I don't
message
know.
behind it?
I don't know.
Like, does she...
Maybe because
he's probably craving for power. Like, he wants to do that to her, but instead she did that to him.
for once in your life you make sense.
What was the message behind that? I'm interested. I'm highly interested.
I think that he wants to be in control, but actually she's the one that is in control.
Let's
of
read
all
the
this.
comments. This is the first time we're gonna be reading the comments, you guys.
Just Google it. I don't understand the... I like his voice. He's very, very particular.
Yeah.
It starts like a very chill song and then it builds up.
I like the raspiness.
I like it.
I don't... To be honest, I didn't listen much to the lyrics, but the lyrics was just pretty much... All I could understand in the lyrics is that he was talking about how much he loves her and how beautiful she is underneath the moonlight, I think. But
I didn't understand shit,
I'm still
so I
thinking
don't
about
know.
the music video. I'm still like thinking like what's the message behind it?
Be careful because you have 2 neurons. That's all you have.
And you don't want me to hurt one of them.
No, because it
'Cause
looks
I'm
like
gonna
you're
be
already...
bored.
The hamster in that brain is spinning.
Anyway, guys, please help us understand. Comment down below what are your thoughts. Because for the first time, Fabio usually has a lot of opinion and interpretation to the message of the songs and any videography.
I am
art.
sure the secret of this twist is written in the lyrics. But Yanni did
Yes.
not listen to it. So
I didn't.
And I can't. So
But
I
you
cannot
guys are
solve.
great. You guys are going to comment down below and you guys are going to let us know. Thank you for watching.
See you in the next
Happy New
video.
Year! Bye.